Construction on Main Street will resume in late March or early April, depending on weather, and continue until early winter. This year, workers will finish replacing the water and sewage systems on Main Street. They will also install stormwater pipes and underground utilities. Workers will reconstruct Main Street from the railroad bridge at the southern end to just past the Winooski schools. This work includes paving, pavement markings, sidewalks, curbs, streetlights, traffic signal upgrades, and landscaping. Work hours on Monday through Friday from 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. This spring, Main Street will have lane shifts, lane closures, and short-term street closures with detour routes. Two-way traffic on Main Street will be maintained. Between mid-April to late April, Main Street will be reduced to one lane for traffic heading up the hill, going north. Traffic heading south will be sent to Tigan Street and Weaver Street. The lane closure on Main Street and detour on Weaver Street will be in effect 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, until early winter. There will be temporary interruptions to utilities and driveways. Workers will let residents and businesses know by knocking on doors and leaving notices. Businesses will be open during construction. People will still be able to walk along Main Street. Parking is not allowed on Main Street where construction is happening during work hours. Parking is reduced along Weaver Street. Travelers should use caution, follow signs, and pay attention to workers directing traffic. Visit winooski.gov/Main Street for project updates. If you have questions or concerns about the project, call 802-595-4399 or email info@winooskimainstreet.com. If your property is damaged due to construction, contact the project to start a damage claim.